Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, makeup, hair, reviews, hauls, you name it. A little bit of like lifestyle kind of video. If this is a video you'd like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Thank you, I love you guys coming back. Thank you. So today's video is going to be our base BoxyCharm unboxing and try on some of the product. So as I tell you guys a little bit about of each of the product, I'm gonna put a little video one of my sides so you guys can see how the product perform. So let's dig into this box so this video don't get so long. And if you don't know what BoxyCharm is monthly beauty box subscription where you pay $25 and you get up to $125 worth of product to get a 5 full-size product of many different brands, amazing brands. So every month you get a little surprise. And they also have the box, they have BoxyCharm Premium, which is $35 a month, and you get up to $175 a month. And there you get 6 full-size product, amazing brands too. And then you have BoxyCharm, which is even more fabulous because you can more product, it's bigger, and I think it's a $45 if I'm not mistaken. So, and they also have a quarter box pop-up, so every quarter of the year you get a big box full of amazing products, which is fabulous. So if you'd like to check BoxyCharm out, I'm gonna have the link down below for them. Alright, so let's dig into this box because I'm talking to them much. So let me first get the little card for that come on BoxyCharm. And this month team is BTS behind the scenes. Our first product here is going to be the Glamglow YouthMud mask, glow stimulating and exfoliating treatment mask. I used this mask today. I'm gonna put the video here for you guys. It's amazing. After I finished removing the mask, my skin was like a glass skin, so beautiful, amazing. I tried Glamglow mask before and I really liked the mask, but this one definitely by far was one of my favorite. And then I have the product here out of the box. Even though the jar look like it's small, but for this mask I swear I just need like a 2 or 3 little tiny spatula. I could cover my whole face and you wait to dry, and after you 10 to 20 minutes you remove it and your skin looks amazing, fabulous. I loved it. Definitely is going to be one of my favorite masks from now on. And this is what the mask look like. They have like a mud consistent and with little things in it that for me look like a seaweeds or some stuff like that. That's what it look like. I'm not sure. Yeah, but I love this mask. I left my skin so clean. It cleaned all my dirt, pores and everything that I had, all was gone, and my skin looked glowing and fabulous after I finished using. So if you decide to give a go to this mask, you're going to love it. This mask was one of my favorites on September's base box. So, and this beauty here retails for a whooped $60. Youth Exfoliate with volcanic pumice rocks to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visible, soften the skin texture, while natural clay lift impurities without disrupting your skin. Essential oils, antioxidant from green tea, smooth for more glowing, youthful looking skin instantaneously. And that's true. My skin was amazing. As soon as I removed the mask, I noticed my skin was amazing. Our next product here, I love that too, is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Creamy Lipstick. Hydrate lips in a high pigment lacquer like sheen with a velvety satin finish, and this retails for $20. And this is the shade that I got. This shade is Day Slay and I love it. I love a good nude, and this one is just fabulous, beautiful. And one thing that I love about this liquid lipstick from Huda is the liquid lipsticks. Some of them tend to dry your lips or be like sticky. This one doesn't dry at all and it's not sticky. So yeah, love this. And our next product is going to be Pink and Rose Cosmetic multi-use makeup base stick, a creamy base multi-use makeup stick that can be used on eyelid as an eyeshadow base or primer to your eyeshadow. Can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brown bone, lips. Wow, the perfect duo. All right, so yeah, so you can use these together or separate. I'm gonna show you guys. They look like a two eyeshadow stick. That's the two of them here. This one is the just, I would say, like a neutral base. You can use as your shadow base. You can use on your waterline to make your eyes appear more open. And this one here is the copper shade. I'm gonna swatch for you guys. I did try this. I'm gonna show you guys. Copper shade is super pretty. So yeah, this is a nice duo and multi-functional product. Like, I love it. It doesn't have any smell. That looks very nice. So, and this beauty here retails for $20 the duo. Amazing price. So yeah, thumbs up. So the another product here is Georgette Klinger Marula primer. This primer is amazing. I use this primer and feels so good on the skin. It's for all skin types. Blur imperfection and ensure all day radiance finish, hydrate and long wearing. It cushions the skin advantage, hyaluronic acid, ensuring silk and smooth makeup application that unsettle onto the pore, fine lines or dry areas. A nourished blend of marula oil, vitamin A, E and F and B, locking in moisture, protect against the visible sign of aging. Deal for all oil and silicone based foundation formula. And this beauty here retails for $32. So I really love the primer. I'm excited for this. And the next product here, last but not least, it's going to be insert name here, quick sleek hair essence. That's what look out of the box. Quick sleek is designed to quick and easy touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalp. No flaking essence to sleek and smooth your baby hair and flyaways with a light peach scent. And this retails for $22. So yeah, so I'm using today on my hair. So this is all for this video. Let me know in the comment below if you guys get any of this product on your box, and I see you guys next video. Bye.